Well, we have many years of experience in litigating personal injury cases and other types of cases. We work our cases. We don't give up. We're known for taking difficult cases and winning. And I think that's probably one of the things that our practice is known for. That's working hard on a case and working it all the way through. And for doing well, doing a good job for our clients. Well, I suppose part of it is I really enjoy helping people. And when you have a family or an individual who comes to you and they say, I just lost my husband, or I just lost my daughter, or a husband comes in and says, he's in a wheelchair, he's got chronic pain that's blinding, severe pain, and they go, I don't know what I'm going to do. My life has changed completely. And to be able to sit down with that individual and to be empathetic, to listen to what they are going through, and then to be able to say, I can't, and I oftentimes tell this to my clients, I'll never give you back what you lost. The law doesn't provide for that. There is no way I can give you back your loved one. There's no way I can give you back, make you pain-free, or get you to walk, or give you back, make you whole and not have a disability. Jury can't do it, the court can't do it, I can't do it. All I can do for you is attempt to recover money as some form of compensation for what you've been through. And by the way, the money will not make you want to have gone through what you've gone through. It won't make it right. All I can do is try to improve the quality of your life by recovering a certain amount of money. And then I can only recover what the law allows for. I can't get you everything in the world. And this is going to take a long time. And let me tell you what we're going to have to do.
So in a lot of these personal injury cases, you'll have people who are injured so much that they can't work anymore, that the jobs that they used to do, they just can't do anymore. And usually when you have very serious injuries like that, people who can't work anymore, you may go through years and years and years of litigation before they get some kind of relief. And in the meantime, and that's relief from like money, settlement money to compensate them for their injuries and also compensate them for the time that they lost from work. And in the meantime, while all that litigation is going on, these people are in a worse position because they can't earn a living and they can't provide for their families like they used to. And I remember a couple was very badly injured in a car accident, and we litigated the thing for years and years because the other side wouldn't admit or that they were wrong or that they caused injuries that were that serious. And so we got to the very end of the case and we got a really good result for them. And they hadn't been married before, and they were then able to get married, and they had a future all of a sudden. And they invited me to their wedding. And when I went to their wedding, it was like the whole family knew who I was. I didn't know any of them, but they knew who I was. And I had people coming up to me that I'd met before that were telling me that it's because of you guys that this wedding is happening, that these two have a future. And that felt really good. And it was actually, you feel good when you win a case or you do really well for your clients. But the first time that a family came up to me to thank me personally because I made a difference in somebody's life, that's really, that's probably the greatest reward in this type of a job.
We just settled a case where a kid lost his legs, and he was a teenager. And we ended up having to go up to Supreme Court and come back. It took 8 years because the district court dismissed the case. We took it up to Supreme Court, they remanded it back. And we then litigated it for years, and we were approaching a trial date, and we finally settled the case and got him a fair amount of money. But he is an amputee, and he has to accommodate his life around those injuries. The other thing I tell clients is that litigation will not immediately help you, and it will not, again, make life wonderful for you. In fact, you need to find a way to live within your limitations that you have now. And when we get through doing what we're doing, hopefully it'll make your life better, your quality of life, what you can maybe buy, the way you're living, or your living situation, or for your children or your family. But it is not an immediate remedy, either financially or emotionally.